Hi, it's Tim and Shauna from Punk Rope. How's everyone doing? Hope you're staying safe and healthy in the midst of this chaos. And let's just hope the coronavirus passes us by very soon. We're in New York City. This is day 2 of what's essentially quarantine citywide, at least for big venues, but we're outdoors and we're keeping our safe social distance. We're here today to talk to you about an AMRAP workout, which stands for as many rounds as possible for a given time. So for the sake of illustration, and because we know your time is valuable, we're going to keep this workout to 5 minutes, and Shauna's going to attempt to complete as many rounds as she can in 5 minutes. So here are the exercises. We have double unders, 2 rotations of the rope for a single jump. We have push-ups. Oh, okay, sorry. I'm going to change the order here. We have what's called a knee driver. Now what we're doing is alternating the jump rope moves with a calisthenic. So a knee driver is basically a reverse lunge with knee drive, or you could say hip drive. It looks a little bit like the beginning of a power skip. And Shauna's going to do 5 on each leg. See if I can get that a little better in frame. Okay. Then she has 20 straddle jumps. Now each complete straddle jump is actually 2 revolutions of the rope. 1 is apart, 2 is together. So it looks like the bottom half of a jumping jack. So to complete 20, that's actually going to be 40 jumps. And then today the final exercise will be 5 push-ups, and Shauna's going to do these on her toes, so military style with good form. And then once she's completed a round, she'll go back to the start, to the double unders. Now at home, you could obviously change the amount of time. We're only doing 5 minutes because we're being respectful of your time, but it could be 10, 15. You'll see AMRAP workouts up to 20. The choice of exercises should coincide with your fitness goals, and you should pick exercises that you're somewhat competent at, because otherwise, A, you're going to get very frustrated, and B, you might get extremely fatigued and not be able to do many rounds, or not even be able to finish exercising for the time that you've allotted. All right, so those are just a few of the finer points. Shauna's using a Green Day punk rope, jump rope, which shows up pretty good. And of course, with the jumping portion of the workout, if you were to miss, don't worry about it. You just bounce back, dust yourself off, and you keep going. So once again, we got the 20 double unders, we've got the 10 knee drives, 5 on each side, we've got the 20 straddles, and we've got the 5 push-ups. So I'm just going to set my watch for 5 minutes, and you know, this is not really a race or a competition. And by the way, you should always do your exercises with good form, right? So don't sacrifice quality for quantity. All right. Okay, guys. So Shauna's ready. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and go. So this is double unders for 20, and Shauna's counting them on her own. You see her elbows are in tight, her jumps are low, and there you go. Now we go to the knee drive, reverse lunge. It's a good power move. Switching to the other side for 5. Excellent. And then picking up her rope for 20 side straddles, which is 40 jumps. Each successful straddle is 2 jumps, 1 apart, 1 together. Again, you see those elbows in tight. That was flawless. We go to our push-ups for 5. There's 1. Now here we're being mindful of the low back, trying not to let it collapse, keeping the core engaged. The head's the last thing to come down. You don't want to drop your head. That's a common mistake with push-ups. And there we go. So that's 1 round. And we have 3 minutes 40 seconds left. And we go to round 2. Here's your double unders. A lot of times it's good to start the set with a single under or a side swing. If you try to go right into a double under, you might miss. Okay, we're going to go to the knee runners, the hip drive. We have 5 on each side. Here's the front view. Sorry for all the shadows, it's very bright today. But good news, nice and sunny, so great day to get outside. Being quarantined is not fun. I'm gonna have Shana back up just a foot. Okay, there you go. We got our side straddles. Now AMRAP workouts are great for many purposes. Excellent for cardio. They can be good for building strength. Those were the straddles. We're going to go to push-ups. So with your push-up, you're working triceps, shoulders, chest, core. And breathing is a big component of all of this. All right, so that's another round down. We have 2 minutes and 15 seconds to go. We're going to move right back to double unders for 20. Now again, if double unders are not in the cards for you because you haven't learned them, feel free to substitute with an alternating footstep or basic bounce. Likewise, if this knee drive move bothers your knee or you don't have sufficient balance, you could substitute a squat or a straight up lunge. All right, and we're going to move on to straddles. So guys, you can see even with a 5-minute workout, now we're down to 1:20 to go, this can be quite intense. And when you get into that 15-20 minute range, you might really be huffing and puffing. We're going on to our push-ups. I think this is the end of the 3rd round, but I've lost track. It's not even that important. 5 push-ups, excellent. That round is complete. Okay, we have about 45 seconds left, so then you would just do what you can do in that amount of time, and when the bell rings, the bell rings. You don't keep going. I mean, you could keep going, but we're not going to keep going. 35 seconds. Okay, now we've got the knee runners. I think Shana will get them all in. 25 seconds to go. AMRAPs are kind of exciting too. You're in a way competing with the clock, competing with yourself. 15 seconds. We're going to get through just a portion now. 10 seconds. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Awesome. That was great. So I think that was almost 4 rounds, or?
Almost 4.
Yeah, almost 4 rounds.
The 4th round of push-ups.
Darn. But really well done, and hopefully that gives you some sense of what an AMRAP workout is all about. Again, there's tons of flexibility in terms of the time and the choice of exercises. You just need to think hard about your goals. Today's was double unders, knee runners, side straddle jump, and push-ups. So many possibilities. Guys, thanks so much for joining us. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Feel free to jot down your questions in the comment section below. We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel and visit us at punkrope.com. Have a beautiful day, and again, stay healthy and stay safe. We'll see you next time.